Welcome back to this video. It is very important to watch this video before you start using Google Meet on your phone. So let's see. Well, before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So I'm going to simply click on here to open up my Google Meet. Then after you open up your Google Meet, next thing you need to do is to simply click on this three slider right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. That's going to take you right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply go to general. So it's going to take you right here. First thing first, make sure you turn off this particular button. By turning off this button, it blocks Google from tracking your activity and everything you are doing in Google Meet. Next, make sure you turn on this particular button. By turning on this particular button, it improves the quality of call and save data that you use on your Google Meet. Next, make sure you come to only contact can call me. Make sure you turn on this particular button. This will block every spam call or unknown number from calling you in your Google Meet. Next, make sure you come to use additional encryption. Make sure you turn on this particular button. Then right here, make sure you click on got it. By turning on additional encryption, it simply means that only people that you call or you send message to in Google Meet will have the access to read the message or listen to the conversation. Next, click on go back. The next thing you want to do right here is to simply go to message settings. Under the message settings right here, make sure this button here is turned on. So having turned on this particular button right here, it simply means that videos, voice messages, photos, and notes are saved in Google Meet. So if you log out and you log in back, you'll be able to see all your media files and messages back in your Google Meet. Next, make sure you turn on this particular button right here. Then turn on caption. So audio of your Meet messages will be sent to Google to be transcribed, but not store transcription. Use your device default language. Simply click on turn on. So by turning on this particular button, send audio to Google Meet to transcribe. This will allow auto transcription of your meeting in Google Meet. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.